Hi, I'm Jim, owner of BitcoinBillionaireNews.com and the publisher of the book Bitcoin for Beginners, which you can download in the description box below. Today I'd like to talk briefly about a great new Bitcoin MLM opportunity that's free to join and poised to take advantage of the Bitcoin market. But before we get started, I want to tell you that this presentation has been prepared solely for informational purposes and is not an offer to buy or sell or a solicitation of an offer to buy or sell any security, product, service, or investment, nor is it intending to provide tax, legal, or accounting advice. Investments in the crypto market should be considered high-risk placements. The opinions expressed in this presentation do not constitute advice, and independent advice should be sought from a suitable, qualified professional relative to your personal circumstances. The first principle of wealth creation is to become an investor and put your money to work so it makes more money. Now, it's been stated many times by experts that around 97% of the people work for 3% of the population, while that 3% own 97% of the wealth in the world. The secret, according to Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the Cash Flow Quadrant, is to get to the investor quadrant and use your money to create passive income. Now, the second principle of wealth creation is compounding. A penny a day, doubling each day, becomes $5.3 million in 30 days. That's the power of compounding. So the secrets of the wealthy are the following simple steps. Put your money to work so it creates passive income. Compound your profits to accelerate wealth creation, and repeat the process. So where can you put your money to work? One option is Wall Street. $10,000 in the S&P 500 in 2010 would be worth approximately $24,800 now. Then there's gold. $10,000 purchased in July of 2010 would be worth approximately $8,900 today. Now, you could also leave it in the bank. The same $10,000 tucked away in your favorite banking institution from 2010 now would be worth $10,048.11. So if you're wondering where you can get a better return, it's Bitcoin. If you had purchased $10,000 of Bitcoin in July of 2010, today it would be worth over $812,500,000. Now you may be wondering how you can make profits with Bitcoin. You could buy cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and hold it for a long-term gain. That's known as hodling. You could also go into mining. That can be very expensive and profits vary. There's also trading, which can be risky and requires knowledge, skill, and time. Or you can leverage and automate the wealth creation process by earning Bitcoin on autopilot. You can reduce your risk by utilizing experts who know how to create wealth in the crypto space, and you can grow your Bitcoin with the ability to stop at any time and withdraw your capital. You can take advantage of a new Bitcoin opportunity offering the following. Multiply your Bitcoin by up to 170% in a year. You can get started for as little as $40 in Bitcoin, and you can earn benefits paid daily in Bitcoin. You also have the ability to withdraw your earnings on a daily basis. Now you might be wondering how this is possible. The secret to trading profits is to buy low and sell high. Then leverage licensed traders and brokers using multiple strategies to generate trading profits. And the main source of this revenue is large, off-the-book Bitcoin trades, higher profits, less risk. Now, if you're wondering what off-the-book trades are, they're typically peer-to-peer transfers of Bitcoin. And billions of dollars of these off-the-book trades occur monthly on a global basis. What happens is the traders buy large quantities of Bitcoin from miners and other sellers at 2 to 10% below the market value. And then they sell to buyers like Bitcoin ATMs, online gaming companies, etc. at 5 to 20% above the market value. Now, the opportunity that we're talking about in this presentation was founded by people who have created more than 10 companies in 16 years that have attracted hundreds of thousands of customers globally, generating hundreds of millions of dollars in sales. They've got offices in North and Central America and an in-house IT and marketing team with over 25 years experience. Now, this company has licensed professionals with over 15 years experience in trading Forex and crypto, working with high net worth individuals. They own their own crypto wallet, exchange coin, and trading platform, and have offices in Latin America and Mexico. So the way this opportunity works is there are $40 Bitcoin packages paid with Bitcoin, and you purchase any quantity you want, and 50% of the capital goes to the trading company for trading, earning up to 0.66% a day for 365 days, with the capital returned to you at the end of the 365 days. 50% is allocated to affiliate commissions and operational costs of the marketing arm. Now you get daily earnings paid in Bitcoin. Earnings are paid daily in Bitcoin, 7 days a week for 365 days a year. You can withdraw your earnings daily, a minimum of $10 of Bitcoin to execute a withdrawal, and you have the potential to earn daily earnings on autopilot regardless of market conditions. Now, every effort has been made to create a model that's legal and compliant, and this is important, and I want to be real with you. I'm a straight shooter, and I value people's trust more than their money, because at the end of the day, it's all about the relationships you build. Now, I've been involved in other Bitcoin opportunities before, and I've been burned. I've lost money. The only reason I'm involved in this opportunity is because I trust the person who introduced me to it, and she trusts the person who introduced her. And he's been working closely with the founders of the company to overcome regulatory issues that have been the downfall of previous companies. Now, the other reason I'm involved in this opportunity is because the Bitcoin opportunity is just too lucrative not to be. But during the emergence of any new industry, it's often the early adopters or the early explorers who get killed by the natives. This is because there are all sorts of unexpected dangers. But ironically enough, they also expose those dangers and pave the way for the more cautious pioneers who will be the ones to benefit. So you can stop the trading anytime and withdraw your capital. Your Bitcoin packages, your trading allocation is held by a licensed trading company, and you are in control. So to get involved in this opportunity, there is no registration fee. You've got no membership fees and no monthly fees. You can earn up to 20% commission on pack purchases of personal referrals. You can earn up to 5% commissions on pack purchases of your team. You can also earn a share of monthly global sales revenue anytime you have 5 personal sales in a month, and there are no earning caps and no commission withdrawal caps. So here's a potential scenario of 6 months to 6 figures, and this is what I want to help you do. Buy a $40 Bitcoin package, refer one person each week for 3 weeks who also purchases a $40 Bitcoin package for a total of 3 referrals. Help your personal referrals to duplicate what you've done and repeat over 6 months, and then compound at least 10% of your earnings purchasing more packs. Now you can create a global income from your mobile phone. You can use our powerful app-based marketing system to share this opportunity with others. It's simple to use, allowing the creation of a full-time income in your spare time, and it presents, follows up, and helps people get started while you work, rest, and play. Now you can actually trial this application for free to see it in action. You can attract people who are seeking out the product and opportunity on offer. You can track and measure your progress for best results. You can automate the majority of tasks, giving you time freedom, and you can fast track the achievements of your financial goals. Warren Buffett once said that the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. So why is now a great time to get involved? You're going to get first mover advantage. You're going to get in on the ground floor with the comfort of knowing that you're working with seasoned professionals. And it's a new business model that's addressed regulatory issues. And everyone's talking about Bitcoin. The nice thing about this opportunity is that you can choose how you want to be involved. Simply choose how many packs you wish to buy and begin earning daily. You can compound a percentage of your earnings to fast-track your wealth generation, and share this exciting wealth generation model and be rewarded. You can choose any or all of the above. All you need to do to get started today is click the link in the description box. You can register for free and get information on the compensation plan. And if you have any questions, just shoot me a text at the phone number below. Then, upgrade your plan by buying at least one Bitcoin package, and then share this information with someone else. Thanks for watching. You can find out more about this opportunity by clicking the link in the description box below as well. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and, more importantly, helping you build wealth for yourself.